So it's been a really tumultuous and inspiring and crazy year, if that makes sense, all of that combined.
We lost almost 300 homes, permitted homes, right? And many people have put their life savings into those homes, into their dreams,
What happened was on June 4, all of Kapoho got taken by a huge flow. And then, except for 20 houses or so up on a slight hill, and we're up in that area, and we and all our neighbors thought that we wouldn't get taken.
It's just hard to talk about. The last 2 days we've come over to see the house, I've starting to feel some elation, finally.
We're probably somewhere in the middle. We able to rebuild. Some people can't.
I have a lot of respect for our residents, because even though they went through the devastation of that they're moving forward, and they're still living, And so we want to be able to assist and support those that still live here, because anytime there's a shake, anytime there's rain, there's panic that sets in because they have that PTSD, the experience, and it takes a lifetime sometimes to let that go and find your safety.
We're coming back. Visitors are starting to return to the park. The park's about 90% open. We opened Kilauea Iki Trail last Friday in time for National Park Week. So we're looking at a bright future. It's an exciting time to be here because we don't know what Kilauea is going to do next, much less Mauna Loa. But we're here, and we hope everybody comes back soon.
All right, we'll see you guys.
See you guys soon. Have fun.